Hello my dear students, myself Dr. Geeta Mathur. So welcome to my channel and I had uploaded one video of chapter 1 mathematics rational numbers. So those who have not watched the video, you can go through the video and you can see the introduction of rational numbers. So now moving ahead, on the board I have drawn a number line. Okay, so number line is a line on which different numbers lie, like 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on till infinity. On the left hand side are negative of these numbers including 0. So in my last lecture I had talked about different types of numbers. The first number was natural number. The natural numbers are also known as counting numbers. Okay, and what are natural numbers? Natural numbers are counting numbers which start from 1 and goes till infinity. So I have made a line over here, as you can see that from 1 onwards all the numbers which are going till infinity, these are natural numbers. Okay. Second comes whole numbers. So what are whole numbers? Natural numbers are not complete. So whole numbers make these natural numbers complete. Okay. So if you include 0 in the natural numbers, all the numbers are known as whole numbers. Okay. So whole numbers are natural numbers including 0. Now all these numbers which lie on the right side of the number line, natural numbers, they are also known as positive integers. Okay. So when and what is a positive integers? Positive integers are 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on till infinity. So I can say natural numbers are counting numbers which goes from 1 to infinity. I can also say that all the positive integers are natural numbers. Okay. Now on the left hand side, converse to it are the numbers which are negative to the integers. Like 1, what is a negative number of 1? Minus 1. Negative of 2 is minus 2. Negative of 3 is minus 3 and so on, and it goes till infinity. So all the numbers which lie on the left hand side of 0, these are known as negative integers. So what are integers? Integers are positive integers plus 0 plus negative integers. So it is a combination of positive, negative including 0. Okay. Then I had talked about rational numbers. So what are rational numbers? Rational numbers are nothing but the numbers which can be expressed in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and there is a limitation to it. What is the limitation? The limitation is that q should not be equal to 0, or I can say the denominator part. This is the numerator and this is the denominator. So the denominator part should not be equal to 0. Numerator can be 0. It can be any number, any integer. But denominator should not be equal to 0. Okay. Now let's come to some questions. Let's discuss some questions. So the first question is, all natural numbers are integers. Now whenever these type of questions come, like you have to give true or false and you have to justify the statement, so always remember the number line. Okay. All natural numbers are integers. So natural numbers, what are natural numbers? They are the numbers which start from 1. Are they integers? Yes, of course they are integers. Okay. So we can write true here. True. All natural numbers are integers. Integers can also be known as positive integers are natural numbers. Okay. Now second statement is all integers are natural numbers. This is the converse of this statement. So the question is, all integers are natural numbers. So is this statement true? No. The statement is false here. Why? The reason is that all natural numbers are integers, but the integers, they have negative integers as well. Integers include negative integers and integers also include 0, which are not included in the natural numbers. So this statement is false. So how can you justify the statement? You can say false, since integers contain negative natural numbers and 0 also. Okay, so all integers are natural numbers is a false statement, right? Now the third part says all natural numbers are whole numbers. All natural numbers are whole numbers. So as you can see from the number line, this natural numbers it comes under whole numbers. You can see from the diagram, you can see from this number line that natural numbers starts from 1 and whole numbers are numbers which starts from 0. So yes, this statement is again true. All the numbers, natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, they are whole numbers. So yes, it is true. Whereas the converse of this statement, all whole numbers are natural numbers, this is false. Now you can see, all whole numbers are natural numbers. No. 0 is a whole number. Is 0 a natural number? No, 0 is not a natural number. So here you can write, because 0 is a whole number and not a natural number. Okay. Now what is the next part? The next part is all integers are rational numbers. So all integers are rational numbers. Yes, statement is true. Why this statement is true? See, if you can see on the number line, all the numbers which lie on the number line, they are all integers. So question is, are all these numbers rational numbers? So what is a rational number? A rational number is a number which can be expressed in the form p by q, and q is not equal to 0 and p and q are integers. Okay. So as you can see, number 1, 2, 3, 4. If I write 1 in the denominator, in all the numbers, if I write 1, see. Okay. So if I write 1 in all the denominators, in all the numbers, I can see that all the numbers can be expressed in the form p by q. So 0 upon 1 again is equal to 0 only. Because if nothing is there in the denominator, it is understood that in the denominator one number is there. So this can be expressed, all the numbers can be expressed in the form of p by q. 0 can be written as 0 by 1. It can be written as 0 upon 2, 0 upon 3. Any number can come below this line. Okay. So 0 upon 3 again is 0 only. So if it is not written in the denominator what number is there, it is understood that it is 1. Because the limitation is that q should not be equal to 0. The denominator should not be equal to 0. Numerator can be 0. So this statement again is true. Fine. Now the next statement is all rational numbers are integers. So this is the converse of this statement. Converse. Okay. All rational numbers are integers. So for example, I say 2 upon 3. So is 2 upon 3 rational number? Yes, it is a rational number because it can be written in the form p upon q. And here we can see that q is not equal to 0. In the denominator I have not written 0. I can write any number other than 0 in the denominator. I can also say minus 1000. Is it a rational number? Yes, it is a rational number because any number if in the denominator and nothing is there, then it is understood that 1 is there. So this again can be expressed in the terms p by q. Okay. So if I write minus 52 upon 30, so yes, it is a rational number because this is again expressed in the form p by q and q is not equal to 0. Okay. But is this number an integer? This is a question. All rational numbers are integers. So is it an integer? So can I find this number on the number line? No, I cannot find. So this is actually a fraction. This is a fraction. Okay. So rational numbers, they are actually the fractions. So on the number line, all the fractions, this will come in between these two numbers. In between these integers, these numbers can come. But these fractions, they are not integers. They are not integers, but they are rational numbers. Okay, so from all the 6 questions we can see that one is true, another one is the converse is false. You can see this is true, the converse is false. This is true, the converse is false. Okay, so you don't have to mug up this thing. Just whenever all these types of questions come, you just have to check the number line. You have to draw a number line. Just think about it. What are natural numbers? What are whole numbers? What numbers are included in all numbers? What numbers are included in integers? And what numbers are actually for rational numbers? Okay, so this is all for this lecture. I am going to discuss the next topic in the next video. Thanks for watching.